Hello बच्चों, let's read this question. So the question says that Ca2B6O11 plus Na2CO3 when heated, it forms X plus CaCO3 plus NaBO2. So this is the unbalanced equation and correct choice for X. So we have to find out the correct choice for the X, and there are four options and we have to find out which is correct for X. So let's solve this question. So first, we'll write the name of X, that is which compound is X. So first we'll see that. Then we can find out easily that the correct choice for the unknown compound, that is X. So when Ca2B6O11 react with Na2CO3 and when both are heated, it form X. So here X is borax, that is Na2B4O7 plus CaCO3 plus NaBO2. So this is the whole reaction. So here X is borax. Now we'll see the options. So first option says that structure of anion of crystalline, that is X, has one boron atom sp3 hybridized and other three boron atoms are sp2 hybridized. So in borax Na2B4O7, two boron atoms are sp2 hybridized and another two boron atoms are sp3 hybridized. But in the option A, it says that one boron atom sp3 hybridized and other three boron atoms are sp2 hybridized. That means it is incorrect because two boron sp2 hybridized and two boron atoms are sp3 hybridized. That means option A is not correct for X. Then option B. So option B says that it is on reaction with NaOH. So it gives compound which on reaction with hydrogen peroxide. So first it will react with, that is borax, on reaction with NaOH. Formed, which on reaction with hydrogen peroxide, again this sodium metaborate reacts with hydrogen peroxide, that is H2O2, in alkaline medium. It forms a compound, or it is a compound which is used as brightener in soap. So the product formed is Na2, B2, O2 whole 2, OH4, 6H2O. So this complex is formed when sodium metaborate react with hydrogen peroxide, and this complex is used as brightener in soap, and the complex name is hexahydrate sodium tetra aqua diperoxoborate. And this complex is used as brightener in soap. So option B is correct. Then option C. So option C says that hydrolysis of X with HCl or H2SO4 yield a compound which on reaction with HF gives fluoroboric acid. So now Na2B4O7 react with H2SO4, it gives Na2SO4 plus H2B4O7, and on hydrolysis H2B4O7 on hydrolysis gives 4H3BO3, that is boric acid, 4 H3BO3. So boric acid is formed, and which on reaction with HF, that is this compound, again react with H3BO3, again react with HF, it gives fluoroboric acid, that is HBF4 plus water. So fluoroboric acid is formed. Fluoroboric acid. So option C is also correct. Fluoroboric acid is formed. Then option D. Heating with chromium salt. So option D says that it is on heating with chromium salt in oxidizing flame gives green colored bead. That means when borax, that is Na2B4O7, on heating gives B2O3, and when B2O3 react with chromium salt, that is Cr2O3, it forms chromium metaborate, that is 2CrBO2 whole 3. So chromium metaborate is formed. Chromium metaborate is formed, which is green in color. So this statement is also correct. So if you see, according to question, you have to find out the correct choice. That means except A, all three are correct. So option B, C, D. Option B, C, D are correct. B, C, D are correct for X. So then we highlight the correct option. So B, C, D, that is X with NaOH, gives a compound which on reaction with hydrogen peroxide in alkaline medium is a compound used as brightener in soap. Hydrolysis of X with HCl or H2SO4 is a compound which on reaction with HF gives fluoroboric acid. It is also correct. X on heating with chromium salt in oxidizing flame gives green colored bead. So this statement is also correct. Hope you will understand it well. Best of luck.